Hey everyone. Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about how we can solve systems of equations by graphing. A system of linear equations contains two or more equations, and the solution of a system, so the solution of a system is where those two lines intersect. So solution of a system is where the equations or functions intersect. So right now we're going to be talking just about linear equations. So for example, say we are given the system y equals 2x plus 2 and y equals x minus 1. Well, we can go ahead and graph it. So here we have y equals 2x plus 2. The y-intercept is 2, and the slope is 2. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, up 2 over 1. On the other hand, our second equation is 1x minus 1. So our y-intercept is there. So we could do 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And we can see in this rough sketch, oh gosh, really rough sketch, that they intersect at -3, -4. So this is how you would solve a system using graphing. So you would, 1, graph the equations, graph the functions, and 2, see where they intersect. Let me give you a little bit more tricky of an example. So say we have the equations -7x minus 2y equals 14 and y equals -x plus 3. Okay, so this is example number 2. Well, first things first is we need to make sure that this guy is in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to just go ahead and rewrite it. So if we have -7x minus 2y equals 14, we're going to rewrite it so it is in slope-intercept form. And what we get is, dividing by -2 on both sides, we get y equals -7/2 x minus 7. So we can go ahead and graph this. We can go ahead and graph the second one. So graphing these, which I have just done, we have on the green line, we have a y-intercept of 3 and a slope of -1. And on the blue, we have a y-intercept of -7 and a slope of -7/2. We can see that these intersect at the points where -4, 7. So this would be our solution by graphing. So again, just to reiterate, in order to solve a linear systems of equations by graphing, you would graph both the functions and then you would see where the functions intersect. Go ahead and try some of the practice problems and let me know if you have any questions.